This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, January 23rd. Once again, we have some new record highs in the stock index futures, S&P, Dow, and NASDAQ, all into new high territory. Some of this may be linked to the government shutdown now being averted, with the three-day shutdown halted. However, it does appear that the new accord calls for a 3-week extension, so we are likely to see this problem cropping up again. But in any event, new highs. The shutdown only temporarily put pressure on the indices. Other times when we have seen government shutdowns, there has been a more severe break in the indices, but not this time. So with stock indices overperforming the news, that suggests that the main trend is still higher for stock index futures. Nothing changing there in my long-term outlook. Continue to buy breaks in the indices. Moving over to the currencies, the dollar index really not responding that well to the news of the government shutdown now being averted. That in itself has to be viewed as a sign of weakness. The euro currency tends to be very strong and is overperforming the news. Of course, we do have the ECB meeting on Thursday. There could be a possibility that the ECB could announce some type of scaling back of their quantitative easing program. In any event, the euro currency has put in a very good performance this year, and I expect that this will continue. So continue to buy breaks in the euro, sell rallies in the dollar index. Interest rate markets, after the bonds yesterday making a 10-month low, some recovery today. However, I believe that any rallies should be used as selling opportunities, since the Fed still is on track to raise interest rates 2 or 3 times this year. So the main trend on the credit markets still appears to be lower. In the gold market, putting in a good performance as of late, as inflation prospects continue to increase, not just commodity inflation, but also wage inflation. So gold should be bought on breaks. I think we are in the beginning of a new leg up for the gold futures market. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.